Tut tut, looks like rain, doesn't it? Oh boy. Well, we got laundry out, so we're gonna hustle. We've been up to Sitio de Nazare, but we have to hurry home because we forgot we have laundry out. And it looks like there's a storm coming. We'll try to monitor the storm as we hustle home. Oh boy, it's getting closer and it's getting darker. Closer and closer. Okay, so we're all the way to the boats now. And that means we're 2/3 of the way home. Just a little bit to go.
Alrighty.
Oh boy. We're almost there. There used to be blue sky over there, now it's gray. Oh boy. We made it. Thank goodness.